perspectives and introduce you to the America you know and the one you might not.
This week, we've explored the intersection between trauma, mental health, and the Black community. Tonight, we continue our series with part 3.
KSHB 41 News reporter Megan Abundis introduces us to two women who are working to provide some solutions.
From a lack of resources to a lack of awareness, we've listened to several people in the Black community discuss the barriers to mental health. When two women in Kansas City saw the need, they decided to fill the gap. And the best part is their services are absolutely free.
I couldn't keep up.
Brittany Talley, a licensed counselor, said the increase of clients began in 2020.
A lot of it stemmed from George Floyd, right, and all of the protests and all of the people like begging for acknowledgement and begging for validation that came out of that summer. And so by the fall, I think people were tired, right, and they realized, oh, I need someone to talk to, and I'd really like for that person to look like me.
Someone who truly understands what it feels like to be in their situation.
I reached out to Meg Chakrabarty, who's a social worker in our area, and I said, hey, do you have any resources for how we can get more people of color to therapists of color? Because those are the requests that I was getting.
Their first question.
Is there the need that we think that there is?
And they found.
There's an overwhelming need.
We recognize that so many people are asking for this. It's not just you. It's not just your cousin. It's a lot of people in our area, and we saw such a need that we created a whole website for it.
The Color Collective Kansas City. Meg and Brittany have matched more than 200 people to therapists of color.
People are starving for someone to listen to them.
Online, you can scroll through 40 therapists with different specialties and reach out to them to see if it's a good fit.
I feel like they felt like they were being heard in Kansas City for the first time.
We've been busy. Yeah, we've been very busy.
I think, like, how does that make you feel to know that there is such a need?
It makes me feel a little overwhelmed because I know that if these are the people reaching out, right, there's so many other people who either don't know about it, who don't know how to reach out, who don't know where to get started.
This is a way to continue the conversation and lessen the stigma of mental health in communities of color.
It really, really, really helps to have a non-white therapist. It really does. It can make the difference between life and death for some people.
Meg and Brittany hope the Color Collective can also grow into a resource for family practitioners, too. Right now, they say they're looking for more therapists to be a part of the collective. I'm Megan Abundis, KSHB 41 News.